I think that's a lot of times the challenge with small businesses is they don't have someone that can help them with the other stuff that they're not good at, like maybe the registering,
Right.
maybe the submitting the proposal.
Hey, real quick, I want you to head over to freebidtemplates.com to download my bid opportunity response letter template that I submit to the government when I'm answering bid opportunities. Head over to freebidtemplates.com right now to get your free template.
Hey, my name is Coffie here with Govcon Giants, and we're down here in sunny South Florida on a job site, project site, with my brother Earl, who we helped him to get started in this contract. And now we wanted to feature him today. Come down here and see what he's doing. Look at it, take a look at his project, and share that with folks out here, because oftentimes we see, you know, what's on paper, and I show you the contract and the numbers, but you don't get a chance to meet the people, see the job, and see kind of like the places that we're working. So that's what we're doing today. Earl, you want to just say hi, say your name? And...
Hi, my name is Earl Coffie, manager and founder of Coffie Ferguson Property Management Group down here in South Florida.
You were telling me a story when you were about how you got the equipment and how you got the equipment to actually do this.
Okay. When I first came out here to look at this project, the property was overgrown.
Okay.
So with that being said, I didn't get the contract for 3 months.
Right.
So when I got the contract and came back out here, it was horrible. So I had to go and rent a bigger piece of equipment.
Yeah.
So I had to use Sunbelt.
Okay.
Sunbelt rentals. And the equipment that I needed was called a bush hog.
Yeah.
They didn't have it down here in South Florida. They had to go get over to Delray to pick it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I gave them the time frame, and they said they'll have it here on a Monday.
Yeah.
And that Monday morning, it came, it showed up, and we got to work. What has happened since then is we have got the property where we can manage it with regular semi-pro commercial equipment.
Okay.
Semi-pro means it's pro equipment, but it's not commercialized for the street. So this project here is 32 acres.
Okay.
And the property now is under control. It's manageable now.
Right.
So I can cut it with your regular household lawnmower now because of the hard work that my crew members are doing right now with this stuff.
And you said you got a 60-inch?
A 61-inch cut bad woodmore and a 50-inch Dixie chopper.
Okay. And then you were saying about the trailer, that you extended the trailer out because you were leasing a trailer or something like that.
Yes. I was leasing a trailer from Sunbelt as well. And then one of my friends had a trailer. And once I tried to put the equipment on top of that trailer, both mowers didn't fit.
Mm.
So I have a friend that rebuilds trailers, and I went to him.
Okay.
And once he saw what I wanted to do, he had no problem extending the trailer like 2.5 feet. Yeah. And putting new running lights on it, and she works like a charm.
There you go. And how much does that save you?
That's saving me a minimum of $800 a day.
Ooh.
So that first week when I rented that Sunbelt, it cost me $2,500. So there was no margin, there was no profit.
No profit, right? Exactly. First time.
First time.
Right, you had to kick it up.
Right. So since then, it's been saving me $800 a cut, and I'm glad that I had the thought or the mindset to do that.
And then today, I know we were spraying the weeds and stuff, and you told me something else that you bought.
Okay. Out here, they have a lot of weeds. So the main thing is we use this chemical, RM43.
Okay.
RM43 is a commercial weed killer. And out here, we kill everything out here because the company, that's what they want around the fence line, around some other certain places on the property.
Right.
So what I had to do was I had a little gallon sprayer, and that little sprayer took forever in a day to go. It's only a gallon. So one of my friends suggested to me, why don't I go get a bigger pump with electric power? So what I went to Northern Freight and did some investigation and found a pump there. This spray tank is a 26-gallon tank, and it's ran by the batteries of the equipment that you put it on. So I'm using a John Deere golf cart to tow around my sprayer. And it has saved me so much time and efforts of refilling this gallon tank. If you can compare a gallon spray bottle to a 26-gallon tank with electricity, it's a big difference.
Right. So now you just hold it and spray. You ain't got to keep pumping it. Because I've had those gallon things. You got to pump it, prime it, and then spray, and then
Right.
prime it and spray.
Right. But this
And-
thing here is amazing.
So we went around the whole property and sprayed.
26 gallons of spray
Right. And what?
in half an hour.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
It's been a half an hour.
And if you had to have 1 gallon, you had to refill it 10 times.
At least. Well, we sprayed 26 gallons, so that's 26 times.
Oh, there you go. 26 times.
That's 26 times.
Well, they do sell a 5 gallon, so on a 5 gallon.
Well, that's pretty heavy to be
that's
carrying.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, you can't
You
carry
know,
that.
right now, this company has lent me their golf cart.
Right.
So what it does is allow me to get closer to their property to do what they want me to do.
Right. Okay.
You know, so while I'm using the golf cart, I have 2 crew members that's actually cutting the property.
Okay.
And that way we all can finish at the same time and have one common goal, was to provide excellence for this company here.
Okay. Nice.
So
No, that's good. That's good. Well, and then you happen the mowers that you had. Did you happen to have those, or, did you buy them for the job, or you already had them before the job?
well, I do community service. So I was looking to invest in a new mower for community service at our church. One of the church members saw an email from the pastor, and what he did was he contacted me and said he no longer had need for that lawnmower, so if I was interested in purchasing for the church. And I went and did that. And when I did that, it seems like some magical doors open up, because I really didn't have any intention of buying that mower.
Right.
But when that mower came into my hands, I couldn't help but buy it.
Okay.
And then after that, dealing with Govcon Giants, they offered me an opportunity. They showed me a way to get contracts through the government, through lawn services. I've already had all my stuff in place, my LLC,
Right.
my EFIN number, and all
Right.
those things that was already in place. I just didn't know how to use it properly.
Right.
And
Yeah. No, like you said, the opportunity came up.
Opportunity came
said,
up.
hey, are you interested in this opportunity?
Yes.
You've already got equipment. You've already been cutting it.
Yeah.
This is a little bit bigger than what you're normally used to. But
yes,
I always tell people, look, for me, I think a lot of times the bigger jobs are easier because you set up once, you roll, and then, you get out the way.
Yeah.
And as far as the setting up, tearing down, setting up, tearing down, that's
Right.
just, for me, it's one mobilization and go out here. And like I said, now that you got it under control, the first time you say it took you a week.
a week. Now it's taking us 9 hours,
There you go.
and that's equals to 1 day.
Right.
So, but like I said, my crew members they do great work.
Yeah.
They're no nonsense type of guys, and what we're doing is knocking it down.
No, that's good. That's good. Well, I know you're looking forward to some more stuff, some more contracts.
Yes, yes, we are.
But you're bidding stuff now. Now you're submitting bids, you're getting
Yes.
pricing jobs and things like that.
What's
Yes,
your name? What's your company's name?
my company name is Coffie Ferguson Property Management Group.
Your name?
Earl Coffie.
The facility's behind us. We don't going to show the facility because we are in a private facility. So we show you the nice side, but it's literally right behind us. So we're not going to show the facility because we don't want to get in trouble. We don't want anyone else to get in trouble. So, like I said, we'll show all the in-between scenes and everything else. But, I think it's good to have a conversation and see that other people out here doing things that you may not know, you may not be aware. And, you got someone that's never done a contract outside of, volunteer work to actually doing contract and managing and handling it. You're 3 months in?
Yeah, 3 months in.
Yeah, 3 months in. And so he's learned it. He understands it. He's found some people that can help him with the invoicing, and taking that over.
Right.
And that's not terribly complicated.
No.
Yeah, and I always tell people, you got to find someone that can help work with you on the things that you're not great at. And then let you do your thing and what you're good at, and then they can do what they're good at.
Right.
So, I think that's a lot of times the challenge with small businesses is they don't have someone that can help them with the other stuff that they're not good at, like maybe the registering,
Right.
maybe the submitting the proposal, maybe submit an invoice. So, but you can get people to help support you, so then you can just do what you know how to do best.
Yeah.
And now you're figuring out how to optimize the contract, maximize it, get it done, and
In a
get
timely
manner
manner.
so that you can you know, be able to reap some benefits from
Yes.
the contract.
Yes.
So, and that way you can reinvest the money and equipment like you're doing. The trailer, expanding trailer, buying more stuff to help support the company, and then you can work on future projects. So.
Yeah. And definitely, like you said, buying quality equipment.
Right.
Quality stuff. You know, you want to buy it once, in that sense. You don't want to keep buying, you know, the lesser expensive tools.
Right.
You know, when you're doing commercial business, no matter what it is, you want to buy the tool once. So it's better to invest in that tool that one initial time.
Yeah.
Yes, it's going to be a little difficult. Yes, we don't all have that monies. But to buy that equipment, quality stuff, one time, compared to buying it over and over and over, that's not what you want.
Right.
That's not what you want.
Right.
So, you know, for me to you guys, buy quality equipment. Yes, it's a little steep in the beginning, but in the long run, it's going to pay off.
And get quality people to help you.
And get quality people to help you.
And that's gonna make a difference in the road.
Yes.
That's gonna make your life a lot easier. And like you said, reliable. You don't have to lose sleep at night, worry about how you're gonna get this accomplished, how you're gonna get this job finished. You know, having the right people is super, super important. So
Correct.
All right, well that's all I got. I don't want to bore the people. I just want to just kind of show them what we're doing out here, and you know, and show them where we're at, and you know.
Well, thank you guys for coming out, you know, and to actually see what we do.
Yeah.
You know, I can tell you what I do, but as far as seeing it, it's a whole big difference.
Yeah. I got a chance to cut down a tree and ride the chopper.
Right.
Yeah.
To get dirty.
Exactly. I got a chance to get dirty today.
Get the feel of it.
All right. Well, we appreciate you.
All right. Thank you.
All right.